Hi there, and welcome to the Law of Art Traction. If you're anything like me, your mind can get a little overloaded and a little overwhelmed. Between the to-do list, running a business, social media, algorithms, and the pressure to keep up with everything AI, it can be a lot. This is exactly why I created this space. It's a pause button, a chance to breathe, reset, and reconnect with yourself through simple, relaxing, creative practices. So here's how it works. We'll spend some time together doing a kind of guided creative meditation using different creative projects or techniques, maybe watercolor waves, mandala drawings, sketching, working with clay, painting, or even just doodling with pen and ink. You don't have to follow me exactly. In fact, you can do your own thing, or just sit and breathe while the theme sound frequency plays in the background. Each session will be themed around a specific emotion. We will use the emotional guidance scale as our gentle roadmap, helping us move from wherever we are, whether that's stuck, stressed, overwhelmed, toward better feeling places like ease, hope, and even joy. We will also include specific frequency tones in each episode, frequencies that are designed to help support your energy and create a sense of vibrational alignment. You don't have to be an artist. This isn't about making good art or art processes. This is about giving your mind space to rest and open up. When we stop overthinking and just allow ourselves to quietly create, something wonderful happens. Ideas flow, emotions soften, and clarity begins to rise. If this sounds like something you need right now, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of the new episodes. And if you would like to explore even further, I've started a creative wellness membership, The Law of Art Traction, over on School. This is where we meet live each week to create together, share our experiences, and support each other's journeys in encouragement and community. You'll find the link in the description below. I'm so glad you've decided to take a few moments just for yourself. So join me and let's pause, create, and allow realignment together.